In a class of 60 students, 40 students like science, 50 like math, and 38 students like both, how many students did not like at least one of these two subjects? Now, to solve this type of problem, it's really good if we draw a Venn diagram. Okay, so a Venn diagram will have this as our universal set. In this case, all in all, there are 60 students. And now let's draw, perhaps a good one will be a circle that represents the two sets. In this case, we are having the set that likes, let me just have the red one as science and the green one as the students that like math. Okay, now according to the problem, there are 38 students that like both, and normally we just put that here in the overlap. So as you can see, the students that here in the overlap like both science and math. Now, since there are 40 students all in all that like science, we can deduce from there that there must just be 2 here that like science but don't like math, right? Because all in all, if we add that, that will be 40. And also, since there are 50 that like math, and here it will then be 12, right? There will be 12 here that like math but does not like science, because if you add all of that green in the green circle, that will sum up to 50. Okay, so the question here is, how many students did not like at least one of these two subjects? Meaning, it's now what are the number of students outside these two circles doesn't like any, or the science or the math. So for that, we can just add first how many students are here already. So you have a 50 plus 2, 52, and most likely you will have 8 here. There are 8 students who does not like any of these two subjects, perhaps likes other like PE or English or any other field.